Hello, future self and Carla. Mr. Yund here with the American AN Section 2, Chapter 20 Reflection. The chapter is in an interesting place in that the marking period ends right there at the beginning, and then on the very back end, perfect timing, we finish the chapter, and then boom, it's PSSA testing. We pick up right when we get back. I didn't have any notes for this chapter, which means everything went well. There were no mistakes or errors. All the pages were reformatted to look a little prettier. Pictures, always spelling errors or a wordy sentence, run-on sentences. There's always something to fix on every content page for the most part. So I pretty much update the objectives page. The intro page is usually in pretty good shape, other than some pictures always need reformatting. Content pages upgraded, videos upgraded, updated for this year. And then quiz settings I generally have been changing around a little bit. Things like when the right answers appear, stuff like that. The virtual lesson. This chapter is interesting in that from last year I covered it in 2 virtual lessons, and this year we only had time for 1, I guess because of PSSA testing. So we covered the first half of the chapter in our virtual lesson, but not the second half this time. Because we get back and we're in an urban society, so we're going to be doing that virtual lesson instead of 2 for this one. No big deal, we'll have it for next year. I think maybe last year the chapter was split by the PSSAs, so we needed to do it in 2 virtual lessons. Such is the case sometimes. Chapter 20 test, let's see how they did. Check the old speed grader. 81%, there we go. Not bad. There's no essay on this one. And multiple attempts. Alright. That's really it for this chapter. We'll be starting 21 soon. We're getting close to the end. Yeah, I think we usually only go maybe in a chapter. There's 20. We're on 21, maybe 23 max. We might cut one chapter out to write a paper this year. We'll see. I'm working on it. Alright. Have a good day.